to discuss about 3 mark questions here. So important 3 mark questions at your book bags. Okay. So what are the 3 mark questions are present in your book bag? So take your book with your hand. Take your book with your hand. Come with me and note each and every 3 mark is very important, right? So for in our question paper, we have gotten 3 marks, right? 3 into 3, 9 marks. Am I right? Fine. So first of all, we are going to discuss about article writing. See, take page number 49. So we are going to see one by one, slowly and carefully. We are going to see one by one, very slowly, no problem at all. So let's first see article writing, page number 49, article writing. So first of all, we are going to see article writing. Okay, so take your book, page number 49. See how to write article writing. What are the key points needed to write the article writing? In what way we have to write the article writing? See, many of you doesn't know about how to write essay writing, how to write paragraph writing, how to write article writing, how to write story writing. See, there are very minor steps are there to follow. Okay, you can score easily 3 marks there. Okay, this is along with your creativity. This is along with your creativity, how to write, how to present. They given some points like given some examples, but for your exam, they used to give this only. What is there in your book bag exercise? That will be there in your question paper. So go through book bag exercise thoroughly for 3 mark questions. Here I have taken a lot of 3 mark questions from the book bag. We'll see one by one now. Okay. So page number 49. So article writing. See, first of all, see the introduction. An article is a piece of writing penned for a large group of readers, usually intended for publication in newspaper or magazines. See, this can be used in newspapers and magazines. See, or a newspaper magazine for a famous writer, about the famous writer, about the famous historical leader, about the creativity, about the scientific inventions, they have took as an article. How is possible for this world? How is possible for him? Article writing So maximum publications for the newspaper and magazines. They come to know who invented this one. What happens? What is the purpose? Article writing. Then, therefore, the objective of article writing should be attract the attention of the readers and to retain their interest as well. See, if you read the article, you can get a lot of ideas. Okay, see, if you go to the newspaper or magazine, you come across a lot of article writing, especially in the Hindu, right? The Hindu article, the Hindu newspaper. Each and every day, they used to put on article writing, article regarding the author or invention or historical events or some of the creative people. So from that what we learn? Then we get lot of ideas regarding different types of inventions. We gather, we come to know what type of invention that was. Okay, how it's useful for us for our habitual action. That means for our daily life, daily routine life, how it's useful. Okay, fine. Let's see some points while writing article writing. Let's see some points. It's very important to write the article writing here. First point: provide a catchy or captivating title or heading. See, provide a catchy or captivated title here. Okay. Or author video, otherwise a tree, a nature, or the forest, whatever it is, we need to have a topic, right? The individual has each and every mark, benchmark, that we call as topic here. So each and every article needs topic first. Okay, each and every article needs topic. Fine. the first letter of every content word in the caption should begin with capital letter. See, if you write here any type of article, what are the type of article in the heading? In the heading, it contains a topic, right? It contains a topic. In that topic, right? The first letter should be a caps letter. The first letter should be a caps letter. For example, we have some topic here. Okay, food. Okay, so you have to write the first letter should be a capital letter here. So first point we have to need here a captivate or catchy topic, right? And each and every topic, the first letter of the topic should be in the capital. Should be right the capital. Okay, capital letter number start from here. Understand? I hope that you understand. We'll give the second point here. The title should give an idea of the subject to be dealt with. See, the title should be give the idea of the subject. See, the title should be give the idea. See what we are going to write regarding food here. Regarding food, what are the types of food there? What are useful? What are the advantage? How it's useful for the human individual? Okay, so what is the disadvantage and advantage of the food? So everything you can imagine by this topic itself. You can imagine by this topic itself. See, look at the second point here. The title should give an idea of the subject to be. It's like a subject, right? What's the main topic here? That's here subject. See, what's the first point? Each and every article needs a proper and captive topic, right? Okay, each and every topic means the first letter should be a caps letter. The first letter, that's the caption of the first letter, should be start with the caps letter. Then what is the second point? It takes some idea about the subject, about the content. The footnote of the idea should be mentioned clearly there. Okay. Next point. The title should be followed by the name of the author. The title should be followed by the name of the author. Here, author. For example, Kanaraj. Understand? I am going to write the article about the topic food here. So, what is the first point? Each and every article needs a proper and catchy topic. What is the second one? Each and every topic, the caption of the first letter should be a caps letter. Then, the topic should be a main subject there, a main content. Main subject there, it speaks about the subject there. Next, the topic should be followed by the author. The topic should be followed by an author. Who is author here? About here. Topic here. You have to mention. Okay. Fine. Then this point. Try to conform to the prescribed word limit. Try to conform to the prescribed word limit. So each and every word should have a proper sentence and proper word limit. Okay, proper sentence and proper word limit. And next one, the language should be simple and formal. The language should be simple and formal. So because each and every student can be able to understand what the author is going to say. Each and every student or children can be able to understand what author is going to insist there in the paragraph, insist in the article there. Okay, so what are the writings should be very simple and very imperative, very expressed way. Okay, fine. Next point. Grammatical accuracy should be ensured there. See, in English we have to make a proper grammatical assurance. Grammatical mistake you have to write, right? Without any grammatical mistake, you have to write at each and every sentence promptly. Probably all the article contains a grammar, a proper grammar. So author must take care of the grammatical issues there. Then a relevant value point should be gathered. See, it means an important point of the food. What is food? What are the types of food? What is the advantage and disadvantage of food? then conclusion. So you have to mention the key points. You have to mention the key points as well as the important point of the topic there. That shows their relevant value points, important points. Next one. Expand the idea into 3 or 4 paragraphs. See, you have to expand the idea, that's content. You have to make it 3 or 4 paragraphs. Okay? That's all. See here, what they have written here. So first of all, we come across article writing. So what are steps to follow article writing? We need a proper topic, a relevant or good captured topic. Okay, at the top. And each and every topic was started by the cap letter. Each and every topic was started by the cap letter. Then, and this topic followed by the author. And this topic followed by the author. Then, it have a simple grammatical mistake. Okay, the author must take care of that. Understand? So, you have a certain limit to write here in a proper way of writing, and also the make it very simple and formal to understand for all children, right? To make it very simple and formal. Take care of the grammatical mistake is also there. Take care of the grammatical mistake and also the good points. The value points much be needed here. The value points much needed for each and every article there. At last, what happened? Expand more than 3 or 4 paragraphs. Expand more than 3 or 4 paragraphs. It's very important. It's a 3-mark question. Make a note of it. So first, what we needed? A topic. A topic must start with the capital letter. Then the topic followed by the author's name, and then it need a simple and formal way of writing, and make it ensure with your grammatical mistakes. Then ensure the grammatical mistake. It has some certain word limit also. I have to mention that. Certain word limit also mention that. A relevant value of the points. The important points should be right here. Then at last it expand more than 3 or 4 paragraphs. Expand more than 3 or more paragraphs. Okay? Understand? That's all about article writing. Take a note and write like this for your better understanding. For your better understanding, just make a note of like this one. Okay. Fine. So, what is the structure of the article here? Next, we are going to see the structure of the article. What is the important structure here? எப்படி அந்த structure இருக்கும்? See, I already given like this, right? Okay. We have to expand 3 or 4 paragraphs, right? Right. We are going to see the first paragraph. How it should be? How it should be? See here. Define and introduce a topic. So, first paragraph, you must define and introduction of topic must be given there. See, I just once again I narrate from the first here. So each and every article needs a proper and catchy topic, and each and every caption must be start with the caps letter, and each and every topic followed by author, right? Then you want to mention the valid points, make it very simple and formal without any grammatical mistake. You have to write, and then make 3 or 4 paragraphs. So now we are going to see each and every paragraph. What is the content? What we have to write in the each and every paragraph in article writing. Okay. First paragraph. The structure of article writing here. The first paragraph should be an introduction of the topic. The first paragraph should be an introduction of the topic here. Then begin the article with an interesting adage, a slogan, an amazing fact, or some of the statistics, facts and features. See, we have to start with some of the slogans. Okay, some of the slogans or amazing facts, habitual actions, important magazines, important dialogues, whatever it is, it makes simple dialogues or some other or statistical dialogues. So you have to start with amazing dialogue or amazing quotes or something very funny thing also. So first paragraph must be the introduction of the food. You can start with amazing lines. Okay, then we go for the second paragraph here. Second paragraph, give a detailed explanation about the topic. See, give a detailed explanation. see food பத்தி you have to write about more than 50 or 60 words with a great explanation here. Then include the cause and effects. Include the cause and effects means make it advantage and disadvantage of the topic. Food advantage as well as the disadvantage of the topic you have to write. You have to write under the second paragraph. Then refer to examples and quotes, experiences and present state of affairs. So you can write examples here. இப்போ the topic ஓட effects என்னவா இருக்கு? For example, food. Now a great thing happens in Delhi. Happens in Delhi. Still it's going on. The farmers strike, right? The current affairs regarding the topic. We have to correlate with the. We have to compare. We have to correlate with the current topic as well as the current affairs. So okay, current affairs of the particular topic. Yeah, current topic. So the topic what is the current state என்ன? Farmers never strike பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க இல்லையா? A new assembly போட்ட அந்த மசோதாவை எடுத்து the constitution பார்த்து அவங்க ஸ்ட்ரைக் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க against of government, the central government. So the present இப்போ நடந்துட்டு இருக்குங்களா? You have to write that also here. So what the present happenings are, what the past happenings you can mention in second paragraph. Then talk about merits and demerits, that means advantage and disadvantages. Okay, so what are the points you have to write in second mention in second paragraph? See, cause and effects, adu தாக்கங்கள் விளைவுகள் என்ன. Okay, the detailed explanation இருக்கணும் அத பத்தி. Then you have to compare with the present form of states about the topic here. Then last, merits and demerits or advantage and disadvantage you have to write it in the second paragraph. Okay, fine. Then go for the third paragraph. Third paragraph. See here, suggest suitable solutions for the problem discussed. See here, the topic in food பத்தி நாம வந்துங்க introduction கொடுத்துட்டோம். Okay, after introduction we will give some amazing quotation. Then second paragraph பாத்தீங்கன்னா அதோட cause and effects என்ன, தாக்கங்கள் விளைவுகள் என்ன பார்த்திருக்கோம். அதுக்கு அப்புறம் பார்த்தா அதோட advantage and disadvantage பார்த்திருக்கோம் இல்லையா? அதுக்கு என்ன சொல்யூஷன்? அப்ப இந்த விவசாயிகள் போராட்டம் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்கன்னு சொல்றேன் இல்லையா? அதுக்கு என்ன சொல்யூஷன் வரும்? What the government decision here? எப்பலாம் எடுக்கலாம் முடியும்? அப்படி இருக்க நீங்க தரலாம். Then the food இல்லையா? அத production of food இல்லையா? அது எப்பலாம் நம்ம மாடர்ன் டெக்னிக்ஸ்ல கொண்டு வரலாம். இப்ப நிறைய மழை பெய்யுது, விவசாயம் ஆயிடுது இல்லையா? சோ சம்திங் அப்ப இப்போ பாத்தீங்கன்னா விவசாயம் மாடல் போட்டாங்க. அப்பதான் எல்லாம் ஒரு 1 வீக் ரெய்னி சீசன் பாத்தீங்கன்னா 1 வீக்ல அந்த கடலை வந்து எல்லாமே டிஸ்போஸ் ஆச்சு. சோ அதுக்கு என்ன நீங்க சொல்யூஷன் தருவீங்க? சோ first introduction of topic, second அதோட detailed explanation of the topic, then the solution of the topic. புரியுதா? இவ்வளவு இருக்கு. நீங்க இதுக்குலாம் உங்களுக்கு வந்து 3 marks தருவாங்க. நீங்க சும்மா எழுதினா உங்களுக்கு 3 marks is not possible. See, first of all you have to go with the topic, a proper topic, the topic followed by the author. Understand? In each and every thing has to be in the real points. Fact point ஆ இருக்கணும். grammar வந்து mistake இல்லாம இருக்கணும். ஓகேவா? make it very simple and official letter ஆ இருக்கணும். அதாவது ஒரு சிம்பிள் வேர்ட்ல எழுதணும். நீ மட்டும் இங்கிலீஷ் வேர்ட்ல ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் make it somehow difficult இங்கிலீஷ்ல எழுதினா புரியாது படிக்கிறவங்களுக்கு. சரியா? அது மாதிரி எழுதணும். லாஸ்டா பார்த்தா ஒரு 3 பேராகிராஃபா நீ எழுதணும். அந்த இந்த பேராகிராஃப்ல கூட ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் எப்படி பாருங்க. the structure of the particular article எப்படி பாத்தீங்கன்னா the first para contains the introduction of the topic with some of the great quotations or amazing lines or funny jokes also. Okay, then second பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த டாபிக் பத்தி ஒரு 50 words you need a you have to give a detailed explanation here. அது effects என்ன, ஓகேவா? அது causes என்ன, merits என்ன, demerits என்ன, அதுக்கு என்ன சொல்யூஷன் நீங்க third paragraph mention பண்ணனும். Understand? So take a note of it. So each and every article must be a proper way, so that only you can score 3 marks easily here. Understand? Shall we go for the next one? So take page number 50. They give an example here. The page number 50. They give an example here. பாருங்க. Article, example for article, notes, introduction கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. then topic human health hazards, the adverse effects of plants and animals, environmental degradations and conclusion. அதான் உண்டாங்க மூணு பேரால சொல்லிருக்கேன். சரிங்களா? Fine. Then we are going to see the essay writing. What's the next topic? We are going to see the essay writing here. We are going to see the essay writing. So next we are going to see the essay writing. Okay. Okay, fine. So we are going to write the essay rating as I commanded 3 marks here once again. So here first of all we have to remember definite theme and purpose. We need theme. We need theme or purpose. Okay. Then logical order and coherence. Coherence. Then a good objective or style. Okay, fine. These are main points to write the essay writing here. Okay. Then we see the structure of essay and what are the points remember before while writing before the essay. We'll see later. Okay. Fine. So here the topic essay writing. So it comes under 3 mark question. So if you want to write some essay, say for example regarding climate. Okay, our present situation. Okay, then that essay writing needs a proper theme and also a purpose. The essay needs a proper theme, right, and also a proper purpose. Then a logical order and coherence. See, logical order is one by one. You have to arrange the sentence one by one in a logical order. You have to arrange the sentence one by one in a logical order. Okay, there is. If it is illogical, it happens some of misuse of the paragraph or essay here. Then coherence. Make it proper lining. Make a proper lining. Make a proper connection with one line to another line, one sentence to another sentence. Okay, we need a proper connection between one line to another. That is one sentence to another sentence. We call as coherence here. Okay, then third one, a good objective or style. There is a good objective, good important things also. You have to mention that. You have to mention important things and objectives. The way of writing style has to be followed properly. Okay, so these are the important points of essay writing. So what is the first one? You have to mention the proper theme or what is the purpose. And second one, logical order, coherence. And third one, it needs a good objective or a proper style of writing. Understand? Okay, fine. Let's go for the structure. How it should be now. Let's see the structure of essay writing. How it should be. Fine. Structure. Fine. See, catchy introduction. Again, you start with catchy introduction. Fine. You make it introduction. So first of all, you have to give the catchy introduction here. Then main text divided into paragraphs. See, main text. Main text divided into paragraphs. Lot of paragraphs. Fine. The third one, good conclusion. Then good conclusion, right? Good ideas. Fine. Okay. So each and every essay needs a structure like this. So introduction. Okay. A good introduction about the topic here. For example, make a climate. Climate needs a good introduction about the topic. We have to write the amazing facts, amazing lines, amazing funny means. You can write whatever, but it must be very important. It must be very catchy here. Okay. Give more than 3 or 4 lines as an introduction of the topic. Fine. Next, the main text. The main text pathina, it contains 3 or 4 paragraphs. So each and every paragraph needs a proper explanation of the topic. So each and every paragraph needs a proper explanation about the topic. For example, I already just a climate. A topic climate. We need a proper explanation of the climate, seasons, everything is in a proper way. Then about the conclusion, you have to give a good idea about the topic. You have to give a good idea about the topic and as like conclusion to work on the problem, work on the adverse effects and conditions of the topic, as well as how to make an advantage of the topic. Okay, that's all about essay writing. It's very easy. You have to write more than 50 to 100 words to get the 3 marks here. Understand? So introduction, main text and conclusion. It's the main structure of the essay writing. It's the main structure of the essay writing. Okay? Have you understand? I think so. Understand, right? First of all, we have seen article writing and second essay writing. Okay? And third one. Instructions. Third one. So instruction. This also comes under 3 marks. Okay. Instruction. Take page number 119. 119. Instructions. See what is instructions here? We receive instructions in several places in various contexts. Giving instruction involves language abilities such as brevity, clarity, approximity. Imperative is normally used to deliver the instructions. Okay? Normally used to deliver the instruction properly. They give examples here. Listen to a teacher give an instruction at the assembly hall on the eve of the annual examination. So annual examination को teacher ने instruction तरांगा है. ये पढ़ा instruction तरांगा. Let's see here. Do not be late to the venue. Reach school at least 40 minutes before the examination commences. Remember to take your admit card and ID card. Remember to take your admit card and ID card. Then carry a pouch with pen, pencil and other stationery items required. Use a blue or black pen. Do not carry any paper or book or any unauthorized material into the examination hall. Follow the instructions given in the examination hall. Your presentation should be neat and legible. 5 minutes before the close of the examination, there will be a bell. Then check carefully and tie up your answer sheet together. Stop writing when the invigilator tells you to. Right? See, each and everything is done in the proper instructions. More than 10 points. Right? You have to give here more than 10 points. Fine. So, the instructions is a new one, right? Last time instruction is a new one here. So you go through the instructions properly. Is there in your book, page number 119. So in this year கேட்க வாய்ப்பு இருக்கு. Okay, so last year தான் நமக்கு வந்து chart then describing descriptions இல்லையா, அது how to describe the situation there இவங்க கேட்டாங்க இல்லையா. So this time what happens, instructions கேட்க வாய்ப்பு இருக்கு. For example வந்து இப்ப நான் சொன்னேன் இல்லையா, டீச்சர் வந்து examination before while entering the examination hall, what are the instructions given to the teacher or headmaster, right? The same way next ஒரு health minister or a doctor, what are the instructions to maintain a healthy hygiene? Okay, what are the instructions given to the doctor to maintain a healthy hygiene? உடம்பு நல்லா பாத்துக்காக உடம்பு நல்லா நம்ம வச்சுக்கிறதுக்காக what are the instructions given to the doctors? னா நீங்க ஒரு 6 ல இருந்து 10 பாயிண்ட்ஸ் வரைக்கும் நீங்க எழுதணும் without any grammatical mistake. Make it very simple and simple, right? Fine, good. Okay, so that's all today, children. So we have a lot of 3 mark questions are there. We'll discuss during the next video. So go through the article writing, essay writing, and last instructions. Thank you all. Thank you.